Street.
Let's see if he can take advantage of that find. Left lane. A high shot. Oh, that's great. True.
Help.
Wants help. Oh, almost had the big four.
Then he hopes your opponent for an opening.
Uh-oh.
He did just that by chance.
Halfway there. This is game two. Full game here. Oh, and a really tough start for Double A. To cut it to one. Troop. Ooh, that's high.
That was a ball change as well.
All right, left lane. Game two. That's high. Chasing 300. Oh, man. 9-pin on a great shot. Four frame. Allen works on a spare. A nudge on the 10-pin somehow.
Look out.
Watch it. Yeah, he missed that by a lot. Left lane. 8-10. Going by Tom Doherty. That's a high shot. All right, left lane, trying to figure it out. It's not. 10 frame, huge shot. O'Neal, 9-pin.
You've got to be kidding. Look out!
Oh my goodness. Right lane, just had that huge miss and an 8-pin. PBA Playoffs, Centerville, Virginia. Didn't like it, that's why. Really high, 3-6-10.
There you go. Get lucky.
No.
Maybe now.
Jeez,
Did he get that 10-pin? Oh, goodness. Good effort, Ed. Good effort. Took some time off, now he's back in the lanes. 9-pin. Kent lost to Simonson. And lost down by 31 pins after the open early. Whoa, whoa, goodness. Wow. Prather in a big hole here, 7th frame. Whoa. Tack in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Didn't like it, that's why, just a chop. By Prather, suddenly driver's seat, 8th frame. Yeah, oh, 9-pin. He liked it a lot. Oh, and he missed the 9-pin. He missed the 9-pin.
Roll, 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 roll! God! How could you be so bad?
Tough.
Oh, man.
Chris Prather still can't believe it. Hand in hand.
Look at that.
PBA Playoffs so far this year. Sterner. Whoa. 2-10. Bonus for a perfect game. 8th frame. No. 7-10 instead.
Too hard.
Goes in high. Looking to get halfway home. No. 3-pin lead, works on a spare, 8th frame, that's got to really hurry.
Oh boy.
And it didn't.
Good shot, not nuts.
Svensson. 8-pin.
Are you kidding me?
How is it still standing? Pressure really on Jesper now. A roll off.
Missed it.
Chops it.
And now it's over.
This again.
Left.
Doesn't cover. Larson. Oh, yeah, it didn't. 2-10. Wow. Big split. Out of the break, looks for the lead.
Oh, boy.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hot game one. And hold on.
This could make it really good with a win here. And that ball is just not happening.
Now what? I'll tell you what. There it is.
No perfect game today. This is a grind out match. Whoa, way wide. for it to read. It did not.
Oh, my goodness.
Left lane. Boom. To extend the lead. Oh, that's high.
Boy. Too much up the lane. Oh, no.
Oh, yes. 2 wins there. Starts. Looking for a 32-pin lead. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ring a 10-pin. Good shot.
Look out.
Whoa, what happened there? Whoa.
Yeah.
Miss it there.
That's what he needs. What's he going to get? Oh, my goodness.
You've got to be kidding me.
Ooh, Frankie's got a big challenge here in the 9th. Uh-oh. Big shot. Frankie in the 9th off a spare. A little right of target. He's got himself a challenge. Dak.
Not enough. Oh, no.
Way right. Made that full-time commitment to joining the tour. This one right of target, though.
Oh, boy.
That one right of target.
Good place for it. It's not.
Not many people know that. True, first shot here in the playoffs, and he is right of target, and immediately he's got himself a challenge. And he's right of target as well. What happened?
Play. Same thing happened to Kyle. Look out.
Open frame, my goodness! Really 9-pin? Really 9-pin?
No.
Guess
Come
what
on.
pin is standing?
Get
Guess
outta
what
here,
pin
dude.
is standing? In such nastiness.
Come on.
Right?
Get
I got
outta
your
here.
back, Kyle, and then he misses that. Through the nose. I'm on the tour. This is cleaned up. Missed it. Another open frame.
All right.
Oh, my goodness. Got 4. Wide of target, and my goodness, look at this challenge for Troop.
Still way in. It's still high.
Oh, my goodness, look at this.
Really?
Really? Only 8. Head down. Head up. Kyle Troop. 1 pin. For the win! He's got it!
Move. I got you. Double pick, baby.